my installation guide here. Some bits on the floor and yeah, a bit of stuff. And yeah, I added these brackets so I can attach the frame to the wall. I also made some markings. So this is the 1 meter line from the finished floor. So I added the tiles to the 1 meter, and I also positioned it on the ground. So this is like the minimum distance from the wall you can have. So you can attach the pipes. And also I took the center line from the pipe and I added like half of the frame, so 25 centimeters here, 25 there. So I know that the frame is in the center, but you can offset it. If you need to move it left to right, it's possible. So next thing, you can see here the 1 meter line on the frame. Hopefully you can see it. So I need to level it like this line with that line on the wall, and for that I need to loosen some of these bolts here so I can lift the frame up. So 1 meter line is here. This is 1 meter line on the frame, and I leveled the frame using this level. I finished installing this frame. So, and I connected the water line here. And I also connected the sewage. And these are for the protective purposes. So when you start tiling or covering this frame, you don't damage the threads. So basically what I did, I just marked the 1 meter line from the finished floor. I added the tile, and then I leveled it with this 1 meter line here, and yeah, connected it to the wall and to the floor. So I knew that I don't have underfloor heating on this part here, so I could drill into the concrete. So it probably starts from somewhere here, so you have to like keep that in mind, or yeah, take pictures and mark it somehow. So, and of course I added some support in between the framing behind the wall, so I could like attach it properly. And now I will cover it. I'm using 2 layers. I have plywood here. So this is going to be the first layer. And then I'm going to use this material over here, which is already waterproof. I covered the walls with it as well. So that's the other thing I'm going to do today. So I finished covering this toilet frame with plywood. It's just to give it this like core strength. And the most crucial part actually is here, where it's going to be a toilet. And let's say you just apply one layer of drywall, you might have a problem that in later life this toilet will press this drywall and you have cracks in your tiles. It has happened. So you have several options. I am using this option, but you can use, I don't know, stronger drywall or apply 2 layers of drywall, why not? So yeah, that's what I did here.